And for your Thursday, from snow showers to very windy conditions to even some soaking rain, we get just a little bit of everything today as this large area of low pressure brings not only us, but really most of the Great Lake region quite the active day today. You're seeing snow showers, rain showers. We're going to see a bit of both today. As of right now, we're tracking this activity that's been moving through Green Bay, central Wisconsin, inching closer to northern Illinois. As of right now, some of us could just see some lighter flurries, mostly just cloud cover. So we're quiet only for a little bit longer. This activity that you see at the top of your screen will slowly start to inch closer to the area as your wind gusts will also start to pick up. We're going to see those gusts out of the northwest to north winds up to 50 miles per hour. That starts at 10 a.m. in terms of the advisory. Winds strengthening through lunch, but we're going to stay breezy all the way through 8 p.m. Still seeing gusts around 30 miles per hour even into your Friday. In terms of any winter alerts, we do see a winter weather advisory in southern Wisconsin and mainly northeastern Illinois. Our area counties here back at home, we are free from some of those winter weather alerts, but not so much from the impacts as that activity gets to us. So here's what future track looks like as we get after the 8 o'clock hour. So now getting into your morning commute, we'll start to see some of those snowflakes flying. But notice not everybody is seeing it just yet. As the system continues to move in and arrive, most of those areas near I-39 and to the east, we'll see that activity first. Then wet, heavy snow continues to move in, now getting into most of the area. But as we move further into the lunch hours and the early afternoon, your temperatures start to climb. So as that happens, we'll start to see a bit of a rain and snow mix. That'll mainly be brief because shortly after that, the entire area and all of this activity transitions to rain. We'll see that for really most of your afternoon and evening. I just took you to 6 o'clock. Those near and to the east of I-39 could slowly start to dry off first, and the rest of us will see the same overnight as we are dry into Friday. In terms of how much snow we'll see, most of those near and to the east of I-39 sound like a bit of a broken record there, but that's really the marker when it comes to some of this activity. East of the interstate, 1 to 3 inches possible. Further to the west of that, while a lot of us will fall just under an inch, but anything that does fall will also get quickly washed away, most of it at least, with that rain to move in. Again, remember, we're going to turn awfully breezy, 40 to 50 mile per hour gusts starting at 10 a.m. through the early afternoon. Your wind chill values tacking on the cold temperatures and the wind gusts, we're going to feel like we're in the low to mid 20s for most of the day. Remember, again, slushy roads expected, especially late this morning into the early afternoon. Then just some wet roads as that rain continues to move in. So a whole lot of everything for your Thursday. Temperatures could hit the 40s just briefly, a bit warmer for your Friday. In your most accurate 10-day forecast, we see the cloud cover sticking around tomorrow into the weekend as we then could even hit the 50s, all before another chance for rain arrives Monday, and then awfully chilly temperatures. After the Thanksgiving holiday, we could only see highs in the 20s potentially, not to mention the lows in the teens. If only you guys could see Manny's face.